So this video is about something which nothing didn't much advertise about. So one is the WhatsApp and Teams calling feature, and you can just see right away. I can answer from here, and I can seamlessly transfer the calls from the phone to the handset by toggling in the Bluetooth button. Same thing is with Teams, but I just don't want to waste time demonstrating the same thing. Next is the widgets. So whichever screen you keep last active on the watch, every time you turn on, now that's moved. So this is the widget screen, and the screen is turned off and turned on, you see it back. So it retains the last open widget screen. Hope this interests you. Bye bye.